All right, we got an AGT LRT23 skid steer loader, 32-inch bucket, quick disconnect, auxiliary hydraulics, ready for some attachments if you need them. Trenchers, augers, you name it, they will fit. I believe we got some in the sale. Keep an eye out for those. Gas engine, super easy to use. And I'll give you a quick little demo. What's people honking at? All right, here we go. Power on. So come on down preview day, which is Friday before the sale, the day before from 9 to 4. And we'll be here to answer any questions you have. In the meantime, thanks for watching. We'll see you preview day.